Way better. What is going on, Hamm Fam? Hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, whatever it's time to watch this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel. If you're new, drop a like and subscribe to the video. It really means a lot. And welcome to the Hamm Fam if you haven't been introduced already. Today's video, as you can see back there, I got a lot of parts. Tomorrow me and Cameron are installing the AirDog 165 and Beans diesel lift or sump. Cannot wait to do that. My PPE 3-inch downpipe should be in here soon. That is the last little bit to the puzzle. I have the LB7 up pipe down there. But I think I'm gonna have to wait till probably next month to get the Y bridge to actually finish that LB7 up pipe install. I can still do the downpipe, but I'm not sure if I want to do it one at a time or all together. I might as well do it all together while the whole dang engine's apart, basically. But yeah, that's that. But I actually have a pretty good review coming for you today. Shout out to Lasfitautolighting. They are an amazing company based out of California. I actually heard really good things about these. Good things about their company, and I actually reached out to them and they sent me out these sweet 3157 turn signal bulbs for your regular Silverado turn signals. And they actually, what the cool thing about these lights is, they have a built-in resistor, so that way there's no more hyper flash. I can actually preserve my LED mirrors and whatnot and actually have no hyper flash. I'll give you a quick little comparison. These look so much high quality, or more high quality than the little cheap $5 eBay ones I got to just throw in here for time being. But we're gonna head down to the spot right now and we're gonna go ahead and take the grill apart and turn these bad boys on. So let's go. Oh it. Okay, so first step is I'm gonna pop the hood, grab our little tool. Go ahead and get all these out right here. Make sure you don't lose them. I actually have one more piece. Alright, once the grill is off, you can just simply pull these right here and the whole thing should come out. Just like so. Okay, I'm gonna give you a little comparison. Now these are the $5 eBay ones, okay? Now, we're going to be installing the Lasfitautolighting ones. So it's as simple as taking these out right here. Just like that. Look at the size comparison. Do a little in-hand size comparison. Look at that. Way better quality. You can tell it's like there's metal on it, all kinds of stuff. So let's install this real quick. Just pop it in there. Simple as that. Oh yeah. Alright, now that I got the one installed, we're going to go ahead and install the other one and have it all both complete. And then we're going to turn the turn signals on, make sure the resistors work inside of them, no hyper flash, and then we should be good to go to button up the grill. Guys, I am blown away at how freaking bright these, like, it's literally just hurting my eyes. Like the turn signal part, the amber part, so freaking bright. And I just love how complete it is with my truck now with the mirrors. I don't know if you can see that right now, but the mirrors finally like aren't just hyper flashing. These cheap ass LED eBay ones like were just so fast. It was like a freaking machine gun for turn signals. But these Lasfit ones, I swear, are the brightest turn signals I have ever seen. like on a truck. Like, I kid you not. Like, huge thank you, huge shout out to Lasfitautolighting. Their Instagram will be tagged down below in the description. Definitely check them out and grab you a pair of turn signal with the built-in resistors. You will not regret it. Like, just stupid bright. Like, I really don't know if you can tell, but this is like halfway daytime and it's bright. Can't wait to see what it's like tonight at nighttime. And I just love how my mirrors are like freaking finally in sync with everything. Like, all the freaking things work. Heck yes. It feels like a complete truck. Like, that one little simple mod completed the truck for me for a little bit right now. But heck yeah. If you or anybody you know who wants to get the best LEDs on the market, they sell turn signals, reverse lights, marker lights, headlights, you name it, they sell it in LED form. Amazing company. And also, if you have a 4Runner, if anybody you know have a 4Runner, they just launched some new products for 4Runner I've seen with their headlights, and those are crazy bright, and I love the look of LEDs on 4Runners. But yeah, be sure to check them out. They'll be in the link down below. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And oh yeah, before I end today's video, I have some new products. So can't show you all my personal information, but this is the Beans diesel sump right here. Look at that. That'll be installed tomorrow. Cannot wait. And I got the LB7 up pipe looking all nice. I got my jam handles. I got the bolt lock. I got everything, man. I got the air dog. Guys, this truck is about to be a completely different truck soon. Very soon. It's gonna be so amazing. I'm about to get the Transgo Junior shift kit in here. Can't wait, to be honest. But that'll do it for today's video. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.
I don't got no problems, I'm 119. Yeah, she biting cause she love I'm piping. Sibling, cold drink, my 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 drink. I stay fresh, I ain't never outdated. Keep it real, all these niggas be hating. They gon' laugh when I tell them I made it. Money long, but they money be faded.